The power is in you. And that's
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
well, you might as well sleep on the sidewalk rather than sleeping on this grungy mattress here. Yeah, a lot of dogs, a lot of fur, a lot of fur.
Yeah. My black lab usually is the one that likes the comfier beds.
That's probably the major challenge is the fur.
Yeah,
Getting
yeah.
all this fur up.
It looks like it's more down towards the bottom.
Yeah, yeah. So like I said, I try to cover it up and stuff, but like I have to get this door off. Today's like my day to fix everything.
Yeah, so we're gonna treat it with everything. We're gonna put a good treatment for the pet. Any issues with the pet, any sweat, organic, urine, anything.
Yeah, before it was in the guest bedroom, we laid on it for like maybe a year. Mm-hmm. Like humans have not been on this.
Okay. Loud. How much? I'm thinking every single organic matter that you can think of has manifested itself inside of this mattress. Look at that. The grunginess. Ooh, there's a little ink right there. The soilage, the droppings, everything is on this mattress. Well, that's what we like to do. Take mattresses like this and make it new. Clean, that is. And the fur is the main obstacle of this cleaning here. Look at that right there. Bush. Straight bush. And we want to clip these bushes off of a mattress because no bushes should be on your mattress. Let's get that cleared. Yes, the mandatory stage of vacuuming, because I'm pretty sure a lot of this fur that's covering this mattress is part of the coloration of it, turning it to a beige color. So I'm assuming if I continue to vacuum this fur up, it'll brighten up just from the vacuuming. Look at that fur disappear. Look at that. Watch this. Watch this fur. Look at that brighten up right before your eyes just from the vacuuming. I literally don't want not one single fur on this mattress once I begin extracting. This bed is definitely fur free now, so it's time to treat it. As you can see, those ink spots right there, it's been treated. And we want to turn the color back to what it's supposed to be. It might just be me, but isn't it brighter already? We can't throw this mattress inside of a washing machine. That would be very, very convenient and inconvenient at the same time. But when I do this agitation right here, it is almost the equivalence of throwing it in a washing machine. That good agitation to break that soil apart. Some would probably think that the mattress is being cleaned right now. Well, to the eye it is, but to the knowing it is definitely not. But what the solution is actually doing is it's encapsulating the dirt, meaning it's pulling the dirt apart and it's coating the dirt, separating it from the fiber, so that it will be very, very easy to just flush it on out. All of the dirt will be completely suspended from the fibers, meaning the dirt let the fiber go, and then it's easy for the rinsing to be applicated. Those ink stains, they're not going to come up anymore. And I pretty much figured that. I can just look at it and tell how embedded it was. It almost is equivalent to the ink designs of the mattress. They're almost the same color, but not typically the same design. So sorry for the ink stains, but this dirt is completely melting, just like butter. Whoa, look at that. Oh, now that is truly satisfying right there. Go ahead and hit the like and subscribe if you're not subscribing. To all my subscribers, appreciate you. Thank you so much. But look at that right there. That is amazing and beautiful, isn't it? It almost looks like we are painting this mattress. Breathtaking.
No way. Yes. Oh my goodness.
Is that about good?
Significantly better.
Significantly,
Yes.
right?
Thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
I think we'll do that then.
Yeah, and I have a little post treatment on here.
Okay.
So, don't sit on it until it fully dries because, we're still kind of dingy in some places. So I put some post treatment on there. So it's like a fabric type of bleaching
Okay.
without the chlorine.
Got it.
Dirty mattress. Multiple rinses on that mattress. But it came out looking so beautiful. And you heard her, she was very excited, and we're coming back to clean the upholstery when she calls. Y'all take it easy. Peace.